what happens when you're blind. People don't assume you got bread, so you can get stuff for a little bit good. My boy's hooking me up at the event. I got these for 100, got these for 140, and then got these for 150. Top of the morning, YouTube. I'm in Boston. We're gonna do a Sneakercon video. I'm gonna cash out a little bit, you feel me? We bougie. Bro, you see this lighting? But listen, I'm recording a video and this man right here.
Because I can use the GoPro. So, there's DFW. We're not gonna show the rest of this place. There's George.
That's Rob. Oh, that's George. This is Rob. And I'm mad at you for recording at the same time as I did. Oh, you started before me, my fault.
You went to the bathroom permission.
If you guys want to see how our hotel looks like, go to their videos because I'm not showing you guys. It's a mess. Go ahead, get this little whip.
You know what? We're gonna go to our
we're at the car rental spot. Bro, damn, bro. These niggas some hoes. Sitting in the back.
Hey man, you tried to kill us once.
Hey man, he's saying I'm a bad driver, brother. But we got a little verse. I'm gonna show you guys outside in a minute. Let's get it. We got our rental right here, baby. All right, y'all. So I messed up. We got in the wrong rent. Huh? Yes, sir. We upgraded, baby. 337. Let's go. Instead of that gray one, we got this beautiful. Yes, sir. We upgraded, baby. We upgraded.
Our rental. We got in the wrong rental. What? Grand Theft Auto, but it's okay.
Hey, you see how it starts, brother? I'll pull up. breakfast for the champion. All right, y'all. We just parked our car. The sneaker venue is literally right there. Yeah, so what just happened is they're doing crack in the stair hallway. I don't know, man. It's a bad way to start a sneaker event. Just seeing crackheads.
Pissed on the floor that were pissed. One or the other, and I was perturbed by both.
All I seen is a crack pipe, a lighter, and some shit in an aluminum foil. So this is a bad way to start. Oh, what did I ask?
You asked them if you could get some.
No, I didn't. I didn't ask them if I could get some. But yeah, this is Sneakercon. Look at the venue. It's so small. Hey,
Watch how cheap shit is in Seattle. You're gonna move.
Hey man. Hey man. Who knows? Who knows? I like Sneakercon Seattle. Assalamu alaikum. So this is set up for Sneakercon Boston. Probably a quick, I would say 10, 20, 30, about 50 vendors, which is not bad. Picking up lightnings, whatever these shits are, for $250. God bless. Shout out to my guy who just bought lightnings for $250. My guy. You wanna give a shout out to your vendor or anything?
Showtime Shoes, Walla Washington.
Thank you, America. It's funny. Just free labor, brother. Throw me some free labor. I got look at what I sold my last pair for, man. Y'all see that? What does it say? Oh, has a little paint chip, whatever. And we're gonna go take care of that. Damn, I haven't seen these. Whew. It's like a black cat, but I pull up. Alright.
Comparing and contrasting the Panda Dunks. Next Nature Panda Dunk.
Boxes.
Yep.
Two separate boxes.
Yep.
These bitches, oh, excuse my, these are made out of trash. Regular from China. Made from a sweatshop. Alright.
Toe boxes, they're a little different. Imagine we just spotted a fake for them. Toe box, it's like more leather-ish feeling on here. This is more like, I don't know, like plastic feel. And the whole shoe just feels kind of more plasticky, but it looks better.
Which one's lighter, you think? This one?
They feel exactly the same.
I feel like this one's lighter. I like the little neon hit right there.
The laces are different too.
Oh shit, look at the insoles.
No, they don't want to see that shit. They got the threaded laces and then the regular black laces. The tongue's a little different. You got the patch, the black patch and the white patch.
Bro, if you got dirty ass feet,
hey brother, they're not here for you, bro.
This is the wrong shoe to buy.
The sock lining is black and the white one, or on the other one is white.
My boy has his own fucking
and also
channel.
we got the speckles on the bottom for the trash.
Oh, bro, it looks like somebody already wore it.
So thank you guys so much for coming to my review. Also the price difference. These are like what, 350? These are 220 or something like that?
Pandas are not 350.
They drop. These are 300. These are like 240.
300,
Pandas are
240.
300.
Sorry, size.
$60 difference, you get the same thing.
Oh, I just sold one for
Be smart with your
200.
money. Thank you guys so much for coming out.
Hey man, that's what happens when you're black. People don't assume you got bread, so you can get stuff for a little bit good. So 280, we're picking up these two at 140 a pop. Not bad.
Nah, I don't really buy early stuff like that.
Alright, potentially might go outside, see what these boys got. See if I can finesse them.
Alright, so I just cashed out.
Hey, my fourth pair. I'm paying high for everything, brother. We picked up a pair of Concords.
How much you pay? How much you pay?
$370. He's gonna go to the store owner for $440.
Nah, but he really isn't.
Hey man, kind of happy, kind of sad.
Hey man, no, they don't care about that. But hey, I just picked up like 20 pairs, so something humble.
Hey man, he got the resale sauce on deck, bro. If y'all need it, tap in. George is a better reseller than me. Look at that, 5 pairs. I got 5 and he got the rest. Look at this, looking at the resale sauce on deck, bro. If y'all need it, tap in.
Buy the course.
$5,000, right?
Maybe.
So we're buying shit left and right, but it's just the music is so loud. Alright, bunch of dunks. I'll show you guys what I bought when the hotel. So I'm grabbing these for $350 right here, Black Cats. Appreciate my guy. Alright, yo, the music is loudest as hell, but I'm picking up some dunks. Hey, can you show them the dunks I'm picking up real quick? Alright, y'all, so what I've been doing is just buying random stuff. There's like really, it's pretty slow, so I have to be creative how I purchase stuff. So I've been buying like something cheap that I can make a money on. So I bought these for $120, $125 for that. Mine still. I just picked these up for $230. I don't know, I just paid $230. I feel like this shoe is not bad. It'll do good numbers later on, so not a bad pickup. Yes, sir. My boy watched the videos and shit. Blessed me with these. Yes, sir. My boy's hooking me up at the event. I got these for 100, got these for 140, and then got these for 150. Let's get it. Top of the morning, folks. It's the next day. I got tired, lazy halfway through, even though we didn't buy that many shoes, you feel me? This is my little lot. I think it's like 28 pairs. We should make about $1,200, $1,300. I spent $500 on this trip, or $600 around there. So half of my profit. I'm on vacation, baby. We got a bunch of Rob, man. This guy crazy PS5s and all that. And then we got these little Stelios from the boy Georgie. Other than that, we're about to go dip, get out of this hotel. My boy, you know how cheap I am, my friend. You see this? That parking is $16 for overnight. I parked all the way right there, so hopefully the car is there. If not, we're screwed, bruh. And valet's $36, and we're in a rich area, bro. You think I'm stupid, America? Yeah, other than that, the event was cool. I just didn't have my GoPro on, so I can really record all my deals all day long. We didn't really genuinely get any good steals. We just got good stuff.
Yourself, bro. Don't speak to me.
Okay, me. I didn't get no steals. I probably make like $40 to $50 a pair. There's only one shoe that I consider a steal. A steal to me is a $100 profit item, and most of this stuff is $50 profit, which is generic. And I'm grateful, man. God, thank you, God, for blessing me with this chance to do what I do. Top of the morning, we are at the mall. Let's see where we go to, buddy. Let's see where we go to. Alright, y'all. End of the
kicks. Cut. Right.
Bro, come on. I thought you were gonna be. Yeah, I'm playing. Alright, y'all. So this is the end of the vlog. I really didn't do shit this weekend. You feel me? Just bought a few pairs of shoes, relaxed, took a break from whatever I'm doing. This guy's staring at me. Are you staring at me? It kind of feels awkward. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm gonna come back in the summer, probably enjoy it like legit, because it's raining outside. It's not really my type of mood, so I was just chilling at the house. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys on the next one. Adios.
You click the like or dislike, well, I don't care button, but click something, goddammit.